Hey everyone, I'm Danny, a developer at LimeChain, and today I'm going to showcase Gimlet, a step debugging tool developed by our team to simplify and enhance the workflow of Solana developers. So, what inspired the creation of this tool? While working on Solana applications, we kept running into the same problem, debugging and streamlining workflows efficiently in VS Code. Since it's a process every Solana developer goes through, we thought, why not create something to make lives easier? That's how Gimlet was born. So, what exactly does Gimlet do? Gimlet is a VS Code extension built to help debug Solana applications. It's integrated with Solana LLDB and comes with features like dynamic breakpoints for seamless debugging, auto builds your executable and mounts it in the Solana LLDB, and full support for all LLDB commands. So how does it work? Let's do a quick tutorial. First off, you'll want to install Gimlet from the VS Code marketplace. Just type Gimlet in the search bar and follow the installation steps. For this tutorial, I will be using a Rust-based Solana project to demonstrate how Gimlet works in action. Open your command palette, Command-Shift-P on macOS, and select the Run Solana LLDB command. This will launch a terminal and automatically set up your environment of your current opened file by mounting and running the executable in the Solana LLDB debugger. Now we are ready to add our first breakpoint. To do this, click on the line of code where you want the debugger to stop. In this case, I will set a breakpoint on the 14th row. You'll notice commands running automatically in the terminal. To register the breakpoint, you can set multiple breakpoints this way. To test your breakpoints, head back to the command palette and select Rerun Process Launch. Now the file runs again and stops execution at the first breakpoint. You see the line above the breakpoint displayed in the terminal. This indicates that debugging has paused in the right spot. Type continue in the terminal to resume execution. You can also remove a breakpoint by clicking it again and you'll see it unregistered in the terminal. Want to test further? Add another breakpoint, let's say on the 15th row, and rerun the process again from the command palette. Once it hits the 15th row, the debugger will pause again. Use continue to either move to the next memory frame or finish execution, depending on what's left in the file. And one quick note, if you close the Solana LLDB terminal and restart it with the Run Solana LLDB command, you need to re-add all your breakpoints and rerun the file. The breakpoint data isn't saved between terminal sessions, it's tied to the runtime of the active terminal. And that's it, you are now fully set up to use Gimlet for debugging Solana projects in VS Code. Have fun exploring and building.